Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you so much for being here. Please keep the comments coming. And if you haven't subscribed yet, come and join us. Right folks, this is an I'm New product from Aldi, from Worldwide Foods. Takes 1 minute in a microwave. And this is Heat and Eat Pesto style pasta. Italian penne cooked in a vibrant herby pesto sauce. And this comes in at 99p. Tender penne tubes infused with a fragrant basil, cheese and olive oil pesto sauce. A classic comforting dish that is ready in 1 minute. Ingredients: penne pasta 28%, pesto sauce 16%, sunflower oil, grated hard cheese, olive oil, cassava starch, salt, garlic, concentrated lemon juice, potato starch, low fat creme fraiche, carrageen, pectins, emulsifier, mono and diacetyl tartaric acid, esters of mono and diglycerides of fatty acids, rice and salt. Really makes you not want to eat these things, doesn't it? The allergy warnings in this are for wheat, egg and milk, but may also contain lupin, mustard and soya. So there you go folks, and the nutritional information is there should you wish to stop the video and take a look. 99p. It doesn't look very appetising, I've got to say. I'm just hoping it tastes nicer than it looks. It looks very boring, I've got to say, but hey ho. The pasta's cooked fine. The pesto is bloody awful, for want of a better description. No. Tastes of nothing, basically. The pasta is cooked perfectly if you like al dente pasta. And this pesto sauce is just absolutely hopeless. It's perfectly seasoned with regards to salt, etc. But it's basically like having pasta that you've boiled in salted water, nothing else with it. It goes cold very quickly. not for me. Even at 99p, I would never buy that again. I can't recommend it because it's bloody awful. Score 2 out of 10. That's about the best I can give it. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and above all, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, come on, join us. It's not going to cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a wonderful Tuesday, everyone. Bye for now.